show you what we're gonna wear for going outside. We're gonna wear 2 pants. One normal pants and one snow pants. And we're gonna wear 2 gloves because we have 2 hands, right? If we only had one, then what will we do? The other pants. The jacket. And boots. Now I'm almost done. I just let me put my. Now I'm just gonna put my jackets on. There we go. Mom. I'm gonna put my boots on. You can't always see it a lot. Look at me. Play in the snow together. There's so much snow. Daddy, can you put a pile of snow for us? Can you put a pile of snow for us? Making a pile of snow right
Look at my squishmallow.
Okay. I'm gonna throw a snow on you. Daddy's turn again.
Okay.